Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make stickers in WhatsApp Android. We start by opening a conversation within WhatsApp. Next, click on the lower emoticon icon. After that, we enter the sticker category icon. Afterwards, we will be able to see the create icon. Next, we are going to choose a photo to create our sticker. After this, we will see that 2 sticker versions are automatically created. We will choose the one we like the most and can add text or graphic elements to the composition. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we can send our sticker and we will see that it appears added to the category. If you want, you can click on the sticker and add it to favorites so you can add it more easily whenever you want. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.